Okay, welcome all dear students. Welcome to KKY Polytechnic Nasik. Myself Yogesh Gaidani, faculty at Mechanical Engineering Department, KKY Polytechnic Nasik. Today we are going to start with very important topic of design of machine element, that is design of coupling. Coupling plays very important role in power transmission. So today we are going to start with design of muffler coupling. So let's see here. What do we mean by coupling? Coupling is such an element which is used to transmit the power from one point to the another point. Actually, coupling is used for connecting the two elements. It is used for connecting the two shafts. Okay. So we are going to start with muffler coupling. See here, this is a muffler coupling known as sleeve coupling also. Muffler coupling is also known as sleeve coupling. So it consists of, in the diagram, this is the 2D diagram. It's the front view of muffler coupling and this is the side view of muffler coupling. So muffler coupling is consist of two shafts. See here, this is shaft number 1, this is shaft number 2, and this is known as hub or sleeve. And both shafts are connected with the help of key. So this is the key number 1, this is the key number 2. And when you go to the side view will be like this. This is the shaft and this is the hub. So for clearing the concept of this muffler coupling, I am going to draw a 3D view of muffler coupling. Then you will get what is exactly muffler coupling. See here. So it is the combination of 3 to 4 elements. So first element is shaft. See here. This is the input shaft. Shaft number 1. Shaft having keyway. Keyway is given for inserting the key in between the slot. So this is the shaft number 1. Here is one key. This is the hub. Hub is nothing but a hollow shaft. So this is the hub. This is the hub. Again, to the hub, slot is provided. So this is the hub. Again, here is another. Here is another shaft, output shaft we can say. Same like input shaft. The shaft having slot. Again for inserting the key. So this is, now you are, I think now you got the concept of muffler coupling. सर्वांना समजते muffler coupling काय आहे? So muffler coupling here. This is known as sleeve. याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? Sleeve. This is known as sleeve. Sleeve is made with the slot. This slot is provided for the keyway. Okay, the shaft is there. This is the hollow shaft known as sleeve or hub. This is the input shaft. This shaft is going to insert over here. Then key is going to insert over here from this side. So this is the hub portion. Similarly, this is the output shaft. This will going to insert from this direction with the key. So it will be a combination. Then it will be a assembly of muffler coupling. Now got it, na?
Yes, sir.
Muffler coupling is consist of how many elements? 3 elements. First shaft, but quantity 2. Then muffler or sleeve, or we can say hollow shaft. Quantity 1 quantity. And again, who will tell me how many keys are there? 2 keys are there. Okay? किती keys असणार आहे? 2 keys. बरोबर? So this is the muffler coupling, and we have to design this muffler coupling. So while designing the muffler coupling, it's very important that you should have proper knowledge of designing of the shaft. Now everybody knows how to design the shaft. Coupling, this muffler coupling is nothing but combination of, you can see clearly, it's a combination of shaft number 1, shaft number 2. This is the solid shaft, this is the hollow shaft, and only one additional element is there. This is what? Key. Okay, so it is combination of 2 shafts, one solid, then hollow shaft and key. असं combination आहे ना?
हो सर.
येते का सर्वांना लक्षात येते ना? Already we have gone through design of shaft. Already we know design of solid shaft, design of hollow shaft. Now let's move towards design procedure. So see here, small d. Before going to design procedure, you should know some notations. Pen notations तुम्हाला माहिती असायला पाहिजे. So first notation is what? Small d. So we'll tell me small d is equal to what?
Diameter of the
Diameter of the shaft. Small d is equal to what? Diameter of the shaft. This is the capital D. We'll tell me what is the capital D? Diameter एक तर काय आहे? एक तर solid shaft बराबर. This is solid shaft. This diameter is equal to what? D. Okay. Again, this is the inside diameter of the hub. Again, this is what? Small d. म्हणजे हा जो याचा outside diameter जो असेल ना, outside diameter of solid shaft will be equal to inside diameter of what? Hub. याचा outside diameter म्हणजे याचा काय असणार आहे? Inside diameter. अलग लक्षात. म्हणजे this will going to insert over here. Okay. Then this is the capital D. This is the capital D. Diameter of the hub. Here is the L. L is what? Length of what? Hub. L is equal to length of hub or length of sleeve. Okay. Then here is the key. Here small l. Here again I can show here small l. Small l is equal to what? Length of what? Length of what? Key. Key nahi. So this is the length of key. Again here, see here. This is the W. W is equal to what? Width of key. Here I can show. W is equal to what? Width of the key. W is equal to what? Width of the key. Then T. T is equal to what? Thickness of the key. Okay. Then now one more important thing. Everybody knows D is equal to what? Again say D is equal to what? Diameter of the shaft. Capital D is equal to what?
Diameter of
sleeve. Diameter of sleeve. बरोबर? और diameter of hub. Capital L is equal to what?
Length of hub.
Length of hub. Then small l is equal to what?
Length of key.
Very good. Then the small w is equal to
Width of key.
Width of key. Small t is equal to
Thickness of key.
Thickness of key. And small l is equal to what? Length of the key.
Length of the key.
Length of the key. So these are the notation. Along with this notation, some important stresses are there. Some important stresses are there. First important stress, everybody knows, torsional shear stress is going to produce over here. So tau, everybody knows tau is equal to what? Torsional shear stress. Okay. Then sigma C is equal to compressive stress. Sigma C is equal to what? Compressive stress. Very good. Sigma C is equal to compressive stress. Then capital T is equal to and capital P is equal to, now everybody knows. Capital T is equal to what? Torque to be transmitted with the help of this coupling. And then capital P means what? Power to be transmitted with the help of this coupling. So these are the very basic elements that before going to design, everybody knows is all notation along with the diagram and along with the concept. Hope you can identify or hope you get all this concept. ही concept सर्वांना समजलेला?
हो sir.
कुणाला काही problem?
नाही.
Okay. After this, now we are going to design procedure of this sleeve or muffler coupling. Design is very important. So there are three elements: shaft, hub, and key. So first we start with design of what? Shaft. Step number 1. Only 3 steps are there. Step number 1, design of shaft. Design of shaft. आता डिझाइन ऑफ शाफ्ट मध्ये काय असणार आहे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं डिझाइन ऑफ शाफ्ट मध्ये हियर वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय डायमीटर ऑफ द शाफ्ट सो एव्हरीबॉडी नोज हाऊ टू डिझाइन द शाफ्ट हियर दिस शाफ्ट इज used only for transmitting the torque so design of shaft is on the basis of torsional shear stress okay so as we know formula for torque transmitted by the shaft T is equal to what pi by 60 into dq into shear stress. This is the what? Shear stress. This equation or same, you can write same equation or shear stress is equal to 16T divided by pi dq. So this is the formula for designing of the shaft. Here we get what? Diameter of shaft. इथं आपल्याला काय मिळणार आता? Diameter of shaft. Shear stress is known. Power is known means torque is known. Only unknown is what? Diameter is unknown. So diameter in the step number 1 what we get? What we get? Diameter of the shaft. So this is the diameter of shaft. So step number 1 over. Here we get diameter of the shaft. Everybody get it?
Yes sir.
Now very important step number Second, now we have to design sleeve known as hub, also known as, this is sleeve or hub, or also known as what?
Hollow shaft.
Very good. Hollow shaft. It's a hollow shaft. So design of hollow shaft. So here some empirical relations are there. काही empirical relations आहे. Some empirical relation we have to use. That is first, capital D is equal to, capital D we can directly find out with the help of relation. So capital D is equal to 2D plus 13. This is the standard relation. Once you get here in the step number 1, what you are going to get? D. काय मिळणार तुम्हाला? D. After getting the D, capital D or outside diameter of sleeve can easily find with the help of this relation 2D plus 30. Consider this D is equal to 50. Capital small d is equal to how much? 50. 50. Then who will tell me what is capital D? 2D plus 30 means 2 multiplied by 50 plus 30. येतं लक्षात? It's a relation direct. It's a relation. Similarly, by empirical relation, similarly, second, length of hub is equal to 3.5 times D. 3.5 times D. Capital D, capital L, both are there. Then we have to design the hollow shaft or design the sleeve by considering what? Hollow shaft. So here torque transmitted T is equal to pi by 16 capital D cube 1 minus k raised to 4. Here k is equal to what again? It's a diameter ratio. K is equal to ratio of inside diameter to the outside diameter. Okay, so this is the step number second. Multiply by shear stress. Here shear stress is going to remain. So tau. So torque transmitted by hollow shaft will be equal to K is equal to pi by 16 into D cube 1 minus K raised to 4 multiplied by torsional shear stress. So this is the equation, and in this equation, as we know, torque is known, capital D is also known, K is also known because K is equal to small d upon capital D. This is also known. Here we are going to check the shear stress. Means we are going to check whether this design is correct or not. We are going to check, or we are going to find torsional shear stress. So this is the step number second. Everybody get it now?
Yes, sir.
Step number second. Now, see here, key is the element which is used to connect the two members. Here, this shaft is connected with the hub, with the help of key. So key is used for connecting the element. So design of key plays very important role. So there are W is equal to width of key, T is equal to thickness of the key, and D is equal to diameter of the shaft. And there are two type of key that we are going to use. First, square key. And for the square key, again standard notation or standard specification are there. Standard specification काय असणार आहे? It's a width and thickness of the key will be equal to D by 4. For the square key, width and thickness will be equal to what? D by 4. It's a standard relation. Okay? And for the rectangular key, if you use rectangular key, for the rectangular key, width is equal to again D by 4 and thickness is equal to D by 6. So this is the standard relation. After this, how to find out length of the key? Third is what? L. L is equal to what? Length of key. How to find out length of key? Let's see here. Here key is going to attach. इथं key काय केलेली आपण अटॅच केली ना? Here key is going to attach. As we know, L is equal to what? Length of the hub, and only half portion is covered with the key. So who will tell me length of key will be equal to what? Half of the length of hub. So length of key will be equal to capital L by 2, which is equal to 3.5 times D by 2. 3.5 times D by 2. Once you get length of the hub now, key will be half of the length of hub. So now you get it. Width of the key is known again.
Yes.
Thickness of key is known.
Yes.
And third, length of key is also known. Only two things that we have to do. That we have to check key for shearing and crushing. Checking of the key for shearing failure and checking of the key for crushing failure. फक्त कशासाठी करायचं आहे? We have to check it for crushing and check it for shear. So first considering shearing of the key. Shearing of key. Considering shearing of key. Now how key is going to shear? Let's see here. Half portion of key here, half portion of key will be in the shaft and half portion of the key will be in the hub. So here and here, this will going to shear off. Key कुठे फिट असणार आहे बघा. Key is going to fit over here ना. Key is going to fit over here. Means half portion of the key which is in the shaft and half portion of key which is in the hub. During power transmission, it will going to cut off. It will going to shear off like this. So this is what shearing area. हा काय असणार त्याचा shearing area. So here is equal to width of the key. Here is equal to length of the key. Okay. So considering which failure? Shear failure. Torque transmitted by key will be equal to T. So T will be equal to area of the failure. Area of the failure is equal to what? W into L. W into L multiply by. This is the distance D by 2 multiply by shear stress. Multiply by shear stress. So this is the equation. With the help of this equation, we can find out shear strength. What we can find out? Shear strength. So torque transmitted by key is equal to W multiplied by L multiplied by D by 2 multiplied by shear stress. Here T is known, W is known, L is known, D is known. Only unknown is what? Shear stress. That we can check. This shear stress should be less than the given shear stress. Then it will be a safe one. Okay? Now second condition, considering crushing of the key. Crushing of key. Key may get crushed. Crushed means in between the slot of the shaft and in between the slot of the hub. It will going to crush. काय होऊन जाईल ते? Crush होऊन जाईल. Means consider half portion of key will be in the this half portion will be in the hub and this is the half portion which will be in the shaft. So consider this will be equal to what? T by 2. T by 2. This is what? L, length of the key. So torque transmitted by key, considering which failure? Crushing failure. So shearing area will be length of the key multiplied by thickness by 2 multiplied by D by 2 multiplied by crushing stress, that is sigma c. So here we have all values. Then we can check this key for crushing failure. So this is the design of sleeve or muffler coupling. Let's see again. Sleeve or muffler coupling is very simple coupling which is actually used to connect the line shaft. It is used to connect the line shaft, means those shafts which are connected in the line. Shaft number 1, shaft number 2, shaft number 3, shaft number 4. Likewise, for connecting such a shaft, what we use? We use this muffler coupling. And muffler coupling is again made up of 3 to 4 elements. First shaft, then hollow shaft, third key. So this is the all diagrammatic representation. Then first we see design of what? Shaft. So this is the simple equation of design of the shaft. With the help of this equation, tau is equal to 16t divided by pi d cube. Here we get what? Diameter of the shaft. Second step is again very important and very simple. Here one relation just you have to keep in mind, that is outer diameter of the hub which will be equal to 2d plus 13 and length of the hub will be equal to 3.5 times d. So this is the standard relation. Okay. And with the help of this, by considering a hollow shaft, considering its sleeve as a hollow shaft, this is what torque transmitted by the hub. In this equation, we can find strength of hollow shaft, means we find out or we check the sleeve or hub for torsional shear stress. So this is the step number 2. Okay. In the step number 3, here the simply design of key. Key are of 2 types. We are going to consider first square key, second rectangular key. And this is the standard relation for the square key. This is the standard relation for the rectangular key. Length we can again take half of the sleeve. Here key is considered, or design of key is considered by considering shear failure. Here we consider design of key by considering crushing failure. Okay. Hope you understand this lecture. Okay, in upcoming video we are going to see next type of problem related to design of coupling. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you.